Chief Minister Biren asserts more police checkposts will be constructed in the state. Manipur observe International Human Rights Day in different parts of the state. Minister Nemcha Gibgin inspected Kangpokpi Community Health Center after complaints that doctors and nurses are neglecting facilities to expecting mothers. And model village Kwatha, which was adopted by Rajya Sabha member MP Bavaranda, still lacks in various basic amenities. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Chief Minister has stated that more police checkposts will be constructed at different places of the state, mainly at the border areas like Behan, Kwatha, Jiri and Ukhrul. He made the statement while meeting hill leaders at his residence today. He said such initiatives are necessary in order to curb illegal migrants and drug peddlers in the state. The Chief Minister further stated that Manipur State Human Rights Commission will soon be created and appeal to the people to respect fellow human beings.
Border area, the illegal encroachment, the illegal immigrants, the unlawful activities, behang. Even like Kwathagi areas, IRB company, Gumbabau Thamnabigi, the Ukrulga Tainabe areas, the Zoo, Myanmar Tainabe areas, some area identified already. State Human Rights Commission, Linganabigi, Dugi, Punjab ki Chief Justice Oirambado, Ma Punjab is a party of Kushi Paga, Masana the Yare, Punjab women get Yabam, don't Lobio, and Mana Harapaki Punjab women. The Madugi had final to work with state Tagi, legal expert, the justice, Punam up to a contact over how identify should.
Chief Minister also expressed that the band called by police constable for failing to declare the police recruitment result is very unfortunate. He stated that the case is still pending at the High Court and a solution to the issue will take some time. However, he stated that the state will not remain a silent spectator to the ban and it will create a lot of inconveniences to the people of the state. He also warned protesters that the state might impose a lifetime ban to any government jobs on individuals involved in unnecessary general strike.
I am clear in the Moida Thumgivani, Tarik Tare, Natraga Nipa, Natraga do the Hydrocan have a quick Kariguma comment and the Piki Moina Tama Makai, anything among the Tuna Lucian of those here, suddenly Tarik Tare, when he happened in Nipan, the Piki of the Hydrocan, the Moina Manipur Pumba, Ban independent Ban Gawi, Koligain to Washi, Masiam the Libok Tibaitare, Christmas, I am sitting Ire Aduga. I quite go mena, Tobungam Basunataba, quarter subsidies when I report to them. Public poor and some that Hamaga Banto Buse, government to Minaleroy. Yes, and every striker sing. Police recruitment workers who service the Bera like any. I am police very big and those who involved in the strike. Maram Sabur DI. Maram Sa the quarter labor, the corner court order ubire, Tarikuni Toivo, Matam Big Reb. January. Masiki Maraks the government, Equina Kadu, no Shamoy Kangam Toy.
International Human Rights Day was observed by various organizations in different parts of the state. As part of the event, the Working Committee of the Apun Balluk also organized the event at the Gandhi Memorial Hall today. At the event, many spokespersons opined on the issue of misuse of human rights and different atrocities incidents against innocent people in the state for a long time. As such, it has been misused by the military officials and the personnel to a great extent. Though there are some organizations and societies to voice up against the human right violation, and their voice are still suppressed so far. People speaking at the event further lamented that the security forces are blatantly violating the rights of the people by forcefully arresting innocent people. Many representatives of the various civil society organizations in the state took part in the event.
Lalu irang lain juga di mana kita mentas baca sehingga yang mengcang bodoh bagi bocor ni pun. Barat serkana mulai paling mayam singa se masih cak mana na, aku lotion nanda bagi wapang rom dan nanda bila hujiti. Aku community amagi tongang walusin orang na benda wali sangat masih dalam makan ni peace no. Aja nanda ba amang na nucina nanda ba masih sendiri Bharat Sarkar की कंसल्टेंसी में से आइकोन पूर्ण मना अमत होना थे ना बदु yang मथोक तैयार.
International Human Rights Day under the guidance of the Manipur State Legal Services Authority was observed at the conference hall of the district and the session judge Imphal East, which is located at the Cherab Court complex. The event was jointly organized by the District Legal Services Authority, Imphal West, and Old Manipur Bar Association, and a blood donation camp was also held at the court hall of the district and the session judge, Imphal West.
Sovereign immunity habagi potse certain limits the exercise to gudang sovereign ne haidanasu magi prajada man hekta hatningen hatpa loition ba genocide to buse mase yade habase limit to sovereign immunity se ihan han boina United Nations ki charter set to buse the moina pire aduna human rights have mi pung khudimaki right magi government duna bawo lokthokninge na lokthokpa yadaba sigumba rights sing se masi international community na ngak tragadi Masigi akogi prithibida santi laibase yaroi hebagi principle se UN ge charter gi core principle amoina yaorga thole.
As observed across the world, Manipur University's Center for Human Rights and Duties Education observed International Human Rights Day on the theme Our Rights, Our Freedom, Always at the Court Hall of Manipur University today. The theme is aimed to promote the two UN Covenants, International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and International Covenant on Economic, Social and Cultural Rights on their 50th anniversary. Speaking on the occasion, Dean of School of Humanities, Manipur University, Professor M. Mani, asserted that every man has a right to live with dignity. However, human rights violations are common in the northeastern state and in remote areas of the country. He stressed the importance to have discussion and observation on human rights.
In 1948, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights was for the first time met. So this was a very important moment, important year. But its main aim, we know, was to respect every human being so that he or she is given a proper place in the society, in the universe, by ensuring peaceful existence and also by giving security with full dignity of a human being.
International Human Rights Day was also observed at Bishnupur district today on the theme Not Left Behind. As a part of the day, a rally and discussion were organized jointly by United NGOs Manipur, Northeast Dialogue Forum, New Life Foundation and various civil organizations of Bishnupur. In the said rally, the Armed Forces Special Powers Act was strongly condemned. The protesters included the elderly, widows, children, women who were victims of the AFSPA regime along with the Lions Club of Moirang. The director of Child Line, Bishnupur, El Pisak, expressed that the AFSPA has been misused by the security forces in the northeastern state, including Manipur, to a great extent, as this Draconian Act is sanctioned by the Constitution. It can provide a shield to the security forces against innocent people, and thus there is a need to repeal the Act.
remove the Armed Forces Special Powers Act. This is the special act, no. Madam di kainoy madam masi any person na mo ching neraba makoy phaba mo hat patu pe po se lisang sit the northeast especially Manipur sa ta dunulai. Madam di akoy aspa se above the law the lege dum na tiba. Aspa se under the law of the country constitution makha da lege dum ne. And the special acts na madam orga northeast amadi tonga ma jamu Kashmir da me hani mo mong da hapa toni mo mong da to bisu act singa se masi lokthok ta ta ragadi hai ba lamdam masi da miyo singa se he na shiba hengala ki bi khoi shaung na rakpadagi masi da acho acho bai khogi wakhok lan hai ba du poto civil society maktasu acho ma la ki be ya hai ba ye du gi aki bam lai
Kangpokpi MLA Lemcha Kipgin inspected Kangpokpi Community Health Center after complaints that the doctors and nurses are neglecting facilities to expecting mothers. Amidst the new government claims of giving more focus on health and education in the state, the incident occurred on December 8 when the women called Lainingjong Lotsem was denied treatment by the doctors and nurses on the charge that she fails to produce necessary documents and was not accompanied by ASHA workers. Later, the family member took her to Kangpokpi Christian Hospital CHC and delivered the baby on the floor of the CHC hospital. MLA Nemcha, who also holds Social Welfare Ministers, expressed her disappointment on the rude conduct of the doctors and nurses of the newly upgraded district hospital. She also instructed the hospital authority to provide her the report by tomorrow of the doctors and nurses on duty during that incident and appealed to the doctors and nurses of the hospital to work with commitment and sincerity by avoiding sending their replacement. The minister also took stock of the prevailing conditions and needs of the male and the female ward of the hospital. She further appealed the concerned department to look after the issue of the hospital in light of the incident at the hospital.
Delivery you have to take up. My job is to home delivery. I see paper to talk to bra. Adu kanara nurse do kanana pai bra. Regular posting like somebody is replacing her, no? One time I had given a surprise visit. No nurse should be given any extra duty. I want the report tomorrow. Delivery case posting nurse na appointment substitute in future, you cannot reject any delivery cases. Emergency is emergency. Jum sa delivery to bodo. Makoy doctor lay na nurse lay na karam hay na makoy don makoy na accept to bira bra.
Kwatha villagers are waiting for the black topping of the road. The village, which is under Technopol district, has been adopted as a model village by Rajya Sabha MP Khetribim Bhavananda. The village came into existence from the time of King Maidingnu Sengbi Kiamba in 1467 near the border area of Myanmar. Besides the deplorable condition of the road, there is no proper academic institutions and health center, which add a more hardship to the people. The main occupation of the village, which has 71 houses with 14 residents, is charcoal and bamboo shoot nurturing, and with bamboo flowering widely this year, it will hamper production of bamboo suit for the next 9 to 10 years. The villagers fears with the bamboo becoming scarce, which is the main earning source. A press-conducted tour was organized at the Kwatha village by Department of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) on the 8th of this month. Stating to the media person, the villager authority member Angom Budi said, the village with only 6 people participating in government organization has been lagging behind in many fields. He said, crop production failed widely with the bamboo flowering for the past 2 years and rats scattering in abundance. Government junior school and primary health sub-center in the village were not functioning as there is a lack of teachers and doctors in the respected field. With no source of income, the villagers find a daily work for their living. The villagers stress that the village is favorable for the cultivation of pineapple, banana and haribok and urge the concerned authority for their attention.
I inkono na lejera masing do phejing do himada brahma oi do neba brahma manu chan ni do neba adu brahma manu chal ga tar ga de lo pari ama ni shol pane na ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯈꯟꯗ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯈꯥꯏꯕꯒ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯍꯃꯥꯅ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯂꯩꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯑꯦꯕ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯕꯣꯔꯗꯔꯗꯤ ꯈꯥꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯈꯥꯕꯅꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯑꯗꯨꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯣ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯍꯃꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯆꯠꯊꯣꯛꯑꯣꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯦꯕ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯥꯛꯇ ꯒꯣꯕꯤꯌꯥꯡꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯥꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯃꯌꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯥꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯟ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯀꯨꯟꯊ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯦ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯍꯃꯥꯅ ꯅꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯐꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯆꯟꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯅ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯈꯔ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ.
Now we bring you a report expressed by the various people of the Kwata village on their living condition.
Kwathagi iskunje ochikansi makhoisi fast rahorpasi iskunni ko lairi gumari piba makhona ko lairi gumari piye atu mingjino osasina phajana mingchal leba ko angangsingdo mingchal laga iskunsi chanaina ka bitere tha mara numinini ka ba sumaina tokpiraba makhoisi lairamnina paisa laitabna asira osasina tambitaramnina adu lairi sum tamdare noma shura noma sabnina paisa laitramna angani nu lairi tam ngamdare
di khoidagi bangthi thie jai bo paisa laitamnena kaithen ka bam su laite adu jikte more kanu da pada more chapai wane ba khong na jalabne do gari bangde khur wa ma thadai wa na te bo angang lu bi laite ma khotpa suipum khang ma ya we adi maitan ikpa yam wai dai mo wan
I know Zilla Jerim Pharmacy, 42 Tenupal, Sigim Nunton Neva, Quata Hariba Kungang Sidani, and Obalangana, Helamadi education sector, the Aina being Changni Hana Laur Basu, Kulasida di Hariba sector Anisi, Mami Sam Uri, Nakalamoromda, Maitan Amadi, Subum Lokpana, Kunjasingi, Sentolambi Urum Labasu, Zahikarasita, Sentolambi Handeltona, Kunjasing Awaka Mayonari. Atumatam the Langana, Kunasiki Similon Paganaba, Pambayama, Bibi Draputarbati, Kugi Menmar, Namkai, the Nana Laiba, Kulasi, Mankibiana lady. Cameraman Iromo Salon Paudum Jariba, Jotin Kundrakpam, Quata Village.
Imalaysian Inat Yokadlub has accorded the title Chinkai Lamit Maira to renowned filmmaker and writer O.C. Maira today. The event was also attended by Yashkul MLA T.H. Shatabrat Singh, Director College Development Council CDC, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Ratan Kumar Singh and President Imalaysian Inat Loishang C.H. Chanu Chenbi Laima. The association said, though he was conferred many awards in the past, the title was conferred to him as his writings and works are inclusive in nurture and not biased. As part of the event, a book titled Mamlasanu Taibungpal was also launched. Speaking at the occasion, MLA T.H. Saityabrata and Professor Ratan expressed their gratitude to the people for preserving the culture and identity of the Meitei community and the laments that our cultures and traditions needs to be preserved and protected by ourselves. The 19th Millennium Science Lecture was held at Jawaharlal Nambodiya Vidyalaya, Kumbhong today. The lecture was organized by Manipur Science Communication Association in association with Manipur Science and Technology Council, MASTEC, at MP Hall of the Vidyalaya. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Maina, Director of MASTEC T.H. Surendranath, Principal of DM College of Science G. Tombasarma, Principal of JNB Kumbhong Mintu Chakraborty, teaching staffs and students of the Vidyalaya attended the function. Millennium Science Lecture was delivered by various experts on different subjects. Manipur Master Athletic Association in press release said the Register of Societies, Government of Manipur will conduct the election for the Executive Committee as per the High Court of Manipur ruling. It has informed the Master Athletic to renew their membership from December 11 to 19 at Khumman Lompak Men's Stadium, room number 32. A temple of Tingkhao Rangwan Chapriak was inaugurated at Chinikong at Bishnupur district. Tingkhao Rangwan Chapriak is an ancient religion of Rongwei Kabui tribe, and altogether 63 houses and 346 individuals of the village practice this ancient religion. The event, which was marked by rituals and prayers, was attended by various TRC followers of Manipur. Number of initiatives are being taken up by Rongmais staying in various parts of Manipur, Nagaland and Assam to preserve this ancient religion. TRC is also a unit of United Religious Initiative, which is a global organization, and though the religion has lost its significance in recent years, works are being taken up by followers of the religion at different parts of Manipur, Assam and Nagaland to preserve and protect it. The religion has a total of 22 temples and followers of around 30 to 35,000 in these 3 states. All India Tanzim-e-Insaf AITI Lilong Local Council in a press release stated that the association from now on will take necessary action for the welfare of the people and the students in particular. The association took this decision in light of the problem at Lilong Haurabi College recently. It's time for a small commercial break. Coming up to the break is Thangmibun Apunbanupi Lov Thanil requested Chief Minister to expedite the process of charge sheet against Segmai MLA. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Thangmibun Apunbanupi Lov Thanil urged Chief Minister Nongthomam Birena to expedite the filing of charge sheet against Segmai constituency MLA Haikam Dingo. Secretary of Thanil Wantham Tha Ibema stated that the victim Angie Nikki had lodged a complaint at the Women Police Station on June 13, 2017, after which an FIR has been registered. A magistrate statement was submitted by the victim to the police. However, then the DGP and SP of Imphal West has been delaying in processing the charge sheet against the alleged perpetrator. A reminder was also given to the Chief Minister on 11th November. The LUF maintains that if the government turns a blind eye to the demand, they will intensify the protest.
Puchen Charba, Manipur gi kai khumnazaraba CM na hingna sibaga manana leiraba Niki gi case asibu thamoi sena mateng pangbiduna Manipur government na FIR number 12/6/2017 WPS under section 376/417 of Indian Penal Code ki makhada charge sheet ase athuba matam tang thagat piu haina haijari Karigumba charge sheet asina asa mirai naiduna namsinduna thambiba tarabadi mama obisuna makhal makhagi kungjang mayam ama changsinjaraklani khoi
Zonal Education Officer Imphal West District Zone 1 in press release stated that the 38th Zonal Level Science Exhibition for Children 2017-18 on the theme Innovations for Sustainable Development will be organized at URC Hall Kuyatong on 15 December. Students from class 9 to 12 can take part in the event. The 40th Foundation Day of Peace and Humanity Labour Youth Organization PASLYO was celebrated today. The club, which was founded in the year 1977, celebrated its Foundation Day at Ima Nonga Leima Community Hall, Thangmeiban. A new calendar for 2018 was also launched at the event. The event was also attended by social activist and former Nagaland senior SP P. Sonamani and special government contractor Laishram Sarangjit, along with people of the area, took part in the event. The All Manipur Unemployed Electrician Association of Manipur will observe its 4th Foundation Day on the coming 16th of December, and many electricians, retailers and dealers from different parts of the country will travel to the state 2 days prior to participate in the said event. The association has appealed the All Manipur DPC recruitment candidate of police constable to kindly withdraw the bond. A newly constructed Kongsai Veng Christian Church was inaugurated by Reverend Dr. T. Lunkin in a dedication ceremony observed at Kongsai Veng today. People from the locality presented various songs and dances at the event.
Prithvi Punamagasi Lana Chakre, Pap Ture, Ibasi Kantok Pinanaba, Mapu Bungo, Prabhu Jesu Christian La Aga, Mahak Pap to the Bami Aduna Pap चेलब मिसिंगीदमक सिबीब मतमदा मागी सोंगलांगदगी पृथ्वी की मी पुनमक माबू थाजब खुदिंगमकना पाप कोकपिगनी.
Human Rights Trade Union Writers and Indian National Trade Union Congress Manipur branch organized a Trade Union Writers Day at the Conference Hall of a Minor Irrigation Department today. Trade Union Writers Day has been observing all across the globe from December 7th to 15th. National Trade Union Congress in a press release stated that issues related to regularization of work charge, master roll and casual, improving the service conditions of Home Guard and BDF, providing identification documents by the state government to the state vendor were discussed at the event. A friendly match between Meitei Council Moray and FC Imphal was played at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground today. The event was attended by ADC of Moray and Gojen, President of Meitei Council Moray M. Thoiba and Technical Director of AMFA M. Ratan and various other dignitaries. The President of Meitei Council Moray M. Thoiba expressed that the friendly match signifies the significance of the bond existing between different communities of the state and opined that there is a need to bring out good players even from the drug addicts youth of the state. He further appealed to the people to work together in order to mold bright players from the state.
FC Imphalna sinbidana sanabagi lamda ahal oirabasing makhong sing pangjindana leiba mayamse sanaruga pangjindana leiba mayamse asugumlaba yamna nungairaba samlaba tonabe lesna hakchangi nungaiba amadi wakhalon amadi polakpraina khali aduna ahanjingi sanarura kanda nisada lachudana leiraba isa inausing soidana maki nisa thadoga sanabagi lamda changjilakadra haibagi thimda aikoi
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren asserts more police checkposts will be constructed in the state. Manipur observed International Human Rights Day in different parts of the state. Minister Nemcha Kipgen inspected Kangpopi Community Health Center after complaints that doctors and nurses are neglecting facilities for expecting mothers. And Model Village Kwatha, which was adopted by Rajya Sabha member MP Bhavananda, still lacks in various basic amenities.